Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing your Telegram cache. Clearing the cache can help free up storage space and improve the performance of your Telegram app. Let's get started with this full guide. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon and tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. This icon represents the menu. Tap on it to access the Telegram menu options. Step 3. Inside the menu, you'll find various settings. Look for and tap on Settings to access the Telegram Settings menu. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, you'll see different options. Tap on Data and Storage to proceed. Step 5. Inside the Data and Storage menu, you'll find Storage Usage. Tap on it to open the storage usage settings. Step 6. Now, within the storage usage settings, you'll find the option Clear Cache. Tap on it to proceed with clearing your Telegram cache. Clearing the cache helps remove temporary files and data stored by Telegram, which can accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space. By following these simple steps, you can easily clear your Telegram cache and optimize your app's performance. Remember, clearing the cache won't delete your messages or media files. It only removes temporary files and data stored by the app. We hope you found this full guide on how to clear your Telegram cache helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you. Thank you for watching and enjoy an optimized Telegram experience.